Hello fan, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this paste on my face, which contain milk, turmeric, honey and water. This was actually a request from one of you, so I decided to do this. So I'm going to be showing you in my next slide. Don't go away. Thank you. So just tell me what kind of video you want me to do and I'll go ahead and do it. Please check the comment section for the benefit of this paste on your skin. So just a small milk, then a little turmeric, then a little bit of honey. So you can actually do this at home. It's very simple. You can see that. So I just finished doing facials. So my next video I'm going to be doing facials on that. So I'm going to be putting, oh crap, sorry for that, a little bit of water, like a teaspoon of water, then we mix it up. So put a little bit of milk because it's kind of watery, and a little bit of turmeric as well. Okay, so here we go. So our paste is ready. Turmeric, milk, honey and water, ready to be used on my face. So this is my sister using it on her face. I'm going to do the same thing as well. This should be done after facials. So my next video I'm going to be showing you how I do my facials. So you can leave this for 30 minutes. So far, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, drop your comments in the comment section. I love you, fan. So see you in my next video. Bye. Peace out.